I think the way we have rolled out the fiber to all the homes and rural homes in Norway is very much about the history the company have. We have 100 years of experience of rolling out the utility or power lines to house, and I think that's really the competence that's also been used on the fiber to the home rollout. So there is not kind of a direct synergies between the power lines and the fiber lines, but the kind of knowledge of planning, the tools we are using for planning, and then also the empowered people that are planning but also following up all the digging is really the success of the lean rollout. So and these people are having the local knowledge of if you're going to dig on this side of the road or this side is best. So the whole planning and the local knowledge, in addition to the engineering work, is really what we see as the success formula of our extensive rollout for the last 15 years. So I think it's a continuous improvement as such, and there is for sure the way you are utilizing the new construction works. You are immediately in and planning for laying down pipes and as such, but also collaborating with other operators is sometimes regulated. So you have to kind of work together with other people that want to lay down pipelines in the same ditch as you are planning to open up. And then it's all about optimizing the way you are doing it, and also utilizing the entrepreneurial market by putting up competition as such. So the kind of vendors or suppliers we have in is getting year after year extremely efficient, and it's also still back to the kind of entrepreneurial tool they are using, but also the competence and motivation behind the people really digging and laying down the fiber we have. So there is huge difference between the different entrepreneurial companies, but we have found the right one, and we are collaborating strategically with them just to secure that we are lean in all steps of the process. Yes. And again, I would say it's very much about collaboration between the different parts of the value chain. That's really what we feel is the success formula. Our strategy has been, since we started, 100% fiber to the home rollout strategy, and it still will be. But of course, new technology will come, if it's called 5G or other technologies, that is continuously monitored by us. But as of now, we will still roll fiber to the home, but for sure we are looking at other technology when that is mature enough, and we will suddenly change. We have not yet launched it, but it's launched technically, and in one way the platform and the TV platform we are on the way to deploy is really the platform for it. The fiber network is a carrier of it, which we are proud of. And of course we are waiting for the real content as such. So in one way we are ready to enable it for the market, and we are really looking forward to it, because Altibox is really maybe one of the few distributors that can distribute that high resolution content. So we mean it's a competitive advantage towards for our customers as such. So we are excited and really waiting for it to be launched.